Booking jobs with Adia is super easy. Find the Job Matches tile in your dashboard and select View Job Matches. Here, you'll find details on all the jobs in your area that meet your requirements. You can also find job matches by using the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the screen. There are two sections within Job Matches, Book Now and Standby. Jobs in the Book Now section are currently available and you will be added to the employer's active roster if you click Book Gig. Jobs in the Standby section are currently full. However, you can add yourself to the waitlist. If someone decides to drop the job, you will be notified and added to the job as an active worker. To remove yourself from an upcoming shift, select My Shifts from the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the screen. Swipe left on the shift you intend to drop, then select Cancel Gig. You can also use the chat feature to message the employer directly and ask them to remove you from the roster. If you do need to remove yourself from a shift, it's important to give the employer advance notice so they can make adjustments. Please note that dropping shifts within 24 hours of the start time will result in account deactivation. So if you book a shift, please make sure you intend to work it.